fellow Maris brother Ulwe Riaz. Just three key messages we say in the ministry. Just to go back to the service excellence with the public service. There was a lot of push from our Honourable Minister, the former Minister, who is now the current Minister for Defence, Immigration and National Security, Captain Timothy Natuba, for us to enter the PS Public Service Commission Service Excellence Award as departments. The Ministry of Works, Transport and Public Utilities now, the Ministry of Infrastructure and Transport, is one of the largest ministries in government. To have 10 departments is quite a challenge. I pushed, and I'm very glad that the Minister believed not only in me, but in the team, for us to journey together on the Service Excellence Award under the Public Service Commission ambit. And I'm glad that this year we managed to also win a prize award as 10 departments under the Ministry of Infrastructure and Transport. This evening is a milestone achievement. The plan was to get one department from the ministry to enter the Fiji Business Excellence Award. I was sitting here last year, I guess in the other room, first time in an award, here in my capacity as the chairman of the National Fire Authority, and decided then that for 2014, we'll have a department from the ministry participate in the Fiji Business Excellence Award. Next year, hopefully, we'll have another department. We're looking at the Department of Energy to enter the Excellence Award for next year. To the team at the Fiji Meteorological Services, Bravo Zulu, as they say in the Navy, well done. Just three key messages we say in our ministry from day one, back in September 2011. One was that you are the experts in your field. The second message, go back to the first message, we believe in the strategic private concept. That everybody, every person, every staff in the ministry has a value to contribute. Whether you're a cleaner, you're a laborer, you're a driver, you're the permanent secretary or the deputy secretary or the director, you have a contribution that makes an impact up at the strategic level. Secondly, was on leadership. I wish to quote Bill Cosby, I do not know the key to success, but the key to failure is trying to please everybody. Thirdly and lastly, and one of my favorites, I expect all my staff to commit to an honest day's work. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, thank you very much. FMS, Binaga.